Did you know your future might already be whispering back to you? Picture this. One rainy night, you come across a letter. A letter you wrote 10 years from now. A letter filled with knowledge, guidance, and compassion for your past self. And then you realize something staggering. This isn't magic. This might be the way reality itself operates. Today, we're going to venture into a world where time is not a simple straight arrow, but a vast landscape of self-referential loops. A landscape where your past and future are intertwined, where you may already be influencing your own fate from both directions in time. I'm a theoretical physicist, and today we're going to explore the most mind-bending concept in modern physics, a concept supported by hard science, that your future can reach back and affect your past. This isn't science fiction. This is time's most enigmatic paradox, the causal loop. Picture time as a circle instead of a straight path. Picture a self-referential thread, tying together your past, your present, and your future. Quantum mechanics shows us a universe much less rigid than classical physics. In classical view, cause always comes before effects. The past controls the future, pure and simple. But at the quantum level, something weird happens. Sometimes effects can influence their own causes. This phenomenon is called retrocausal influence, a form of backward signals, supported by numerous mathematical models. In quantum mechanics, picture a particle sending a message backwards in time, influencing its own trajectory. This might seem impossible or paradoxical, yet it's a view supported by many interpretations of quantum theory. This kind of self-referential loop forms a closed circle, a causal loop where future events contribute to their own past. Picture a phone call you make today, influencing your own decisions from years ago. Picture you placing a letter in your past self's mailbox, a letter filled with knowledge, compassion, and guidance. This forms a loop, a paradox, a moment where the past and future become intertwined. Such loops appear in many physical models, from closed time-like curves to the Wheeler-Feynman absorber theory, suggesting time might be a circle instead of a straight path. So, what if you could talk to your past self? What would you say? Would you ease their doubts? Would you tell them, don't be afraid? The struggles you're experiencing will shape you, make you wiser, make you more compassionate. Your future is not a curse. It's a rich opportunity. Every choice you make is a thread in a vast, eternal tapestry, and you're the weaver. This is a moment of profound reconciliation, healing across time, a moment when understanding crosses decades. This resonates with quantum erasure, an experiment where choosing to erase or retain information after a particle's path is measured can retroactively affect its interference pattern after the event has already happened. This shows us something staggering. The future can influence the past. Under certain conditions, this forms a causal loop, a manifestation of what many call retrocausal signals, messages from future to past. This might be hard to wrap our heads around, but the causal loop shows us we may reside in a universe without a rigid arrow of time. Instead, time might be a closed circle, a Mobius strip, where past and future fold back upon each other. This view resonates profoundly with many interpretations of quantum mechanics, and with growing mathematical models in theoretical physics. Roger Penrose, a renowned mathematical physicist, suggested that consciousness might emerge directly from these mechanisms, linking it to the fundamental structure of space and time. He and many other physicists proposed that the mind might be a manifestation of quantum processes, a manifestation of information, which cannot be bound by classical time's arrow. Some even say this forms a kind of self-observed universe, a cosmos where observation brings reality into being, not just forward in time, but backward. This is called transactional interpretation, a view where waves travel forward and backward in time until a transaction forms, a handshake between past and future. This view resonates profoundly with growing mathematical models, and with growing empirical hints from delayed choice experiments, that signals can reach backwards in time. So, what does this mean for you? It means you're not powerless. You're a participant in your own fate. Your future self might already be influencing your past, sending signals of understanding, peace, or guidance. And when you listen closely, When you pay attention to your imagination, your intuition, you might just be hearing messages from your future. Instead of thinking you're at the mercy of time's flow, realize you may be at its center, a conscious node, tying together past, present, and future. Every decision you make resonates backwards and forwards in time. So pay close attention to your choices. Consider their ripple effects. Consider the messages you wish you could send back and forward to yourself. Because, in a universe woven by causal loops, you might already be there, sending and receiving messages across time. And that might be the greatest conspiracy of all. We aren't powerless. We're the ultimate contributors to the cosmos' ongoing story. The question is, what message will you send to yourself? What future will you choose to create? Because you and your future are already in dialogue.